This is the atmospheric water generator. With this system, we're maximizing every drop of water that we can that would normally be lost to the atmosphere. So we're putting it back to use to cool these buildings and to save as much water as we can for our community. What it's doing right now is it's taking the effluent plume off of the cooling tower exhaust. So all of that water that's being sucked out of the cooling tower right now, it's actually taking that moist air, sucking it back into a condenser coil and creating water from it. Just like when you get a Starbucks cup and it starts to condense in your hand with lots of ice, that's what's happening right now. We're then taking that water and we're putting it right back in to make up water for the cooling tower, making it more efficient, making it use less water. This is a research project right now, so nobody else, as far as we know, is doing this, so we're capturing a lot of data, answering some research questions, and determining the feasibility of, can we do this all throughout the valley with our existing cooling towers? Right now we're at the MGM Grand, so MGM is a huge partner. Las Vegas Grand Prix, Formula One, their commitment is to be net zero on watering and washing their track. So this system is designed to recapture that water that would have been lost consumptively to washing their track. And then of course, Water Start, a nonprofit, helped to fund this and to connect MGM, SNWA, F1 to WaterGen to get a system like this that can produce up to 1,600 gallons per day of fresh water. Because this is the first time this has ever been done, we didn't know if at this scale we would be able to generate the amount of water that we've been able to. So we ran this unit for 34 days back in November to December during race week for Formula One. And during that time, we were able to generate over 20,000 gallons during the cool weather. Warmer weather should generate a lot more than that. Warm air holds more moisture. So we're expecting, now that this is turned on for the warm season, to be able to generate as much as we did back in November or even more, which means this system is going to perform or outperform our expectations. Long term, we hope that systems like these can recapture some of our water that's lost to the atmosphere from these cooling towers, and we can make our cooling towers more efficient and consumptively use less water in systems like these.